Working on the 2001 F550 Super Duty with the 7.3, and this thing has a massive rear end in it. Sometimes I just cut these quarts off and I just put them in there, but this one has a fuel tank that's really low, so I bought this pump. I think it's going to help a lot. In this particular case, I don't know if you've ever seen one of these, but it's not like a 350 or a 250, I don't think. This thing is massive. It's huge. So I bought a few quarts. I stuck my finger in there in that inspection hole. It's about an inch down, so I bought like a gallon. It looks like it'll drink a gallon of that pretty easily. But anyway, if you're doing one of these in an F550, just be aware you can't pour it right in there. The fuel tank is like right at the level. So one of those pumps might come in handy. You can see I already tried to squeeze this one in here and there's half left. That called for some type of 85 to 140, I think. Full synthetic. So I'm just going to top it off with that. After I put this on. So I'm just going to pump this in here until I see something pouring out. It takes a lot longer than it looks like, and it's not that much fun. There's not a lot of room down here, but just takes a minute to do it. So I think it's almost full. It's getting pretty close. This is the third quart. Let's see if it starts draining out of here. It seems like a lot to be low, but if you look how big this pumpkin is, who knows how many gallons this thing holds. It's like it holds at least a 5-gallon bucket. Oh my God, one more. Okay. Hopefully this does it. This is the last one I've got. Let's see what that does. I think we got it. Oh, looks like some moisture coming out of there too, though. Maybe I'll pump the rest of this in and just let it drain out. Just kind of flush that out a little bit. Alright, that's gotta be plenty. Alright, so that looks like that's plenty. This is the drain plug, or the chuck plug, that fits this half-inch ratchet, half-inch drive. That came out pretty easy, but considering this one leaks so much, I'm not going to let all that drain out. It's barely even over full. It's going to leak it out anyway. It was already a gallon low. So I'm just going to some of these on the threads and get ready to thread this back in. looks good. That's done. Alright, well that's it. Hopefully you found that helpful if you plan on doing your fluid on an F550. Drop it out of the gas tank. Be prepared to have a pump or something else to get that in there. It'll probably make it a lot easier.